Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the newest community right here in Leander, Texas, which is Wildspring itself. This is actually pretty good because new construction in Leander is kind of fading away and there's only several communities that are left for the opportunity that people want to be in Leander. This is Wildspring community. They only have 350 home sites available. Two model homes that are right here. We'll talk about it later. So if you're looking for a home, new construction, luxury builder, Toll Brothers themselves, you have to continue watching this. So let's go ahead and get started. Thinking about buying a brand new home in Leander, Texas? Today I'm taking you inside Wildspring, one of the newest luxury communities built exclusively by Toll Brothers. We're going to cover home prices, floor plans, schools, HOA, taxes, amenities, what makes this community different, pros and cons, and one thing every buyer should know. Before purchasing here, if you're relocating to Austin area or considering new construction, this video could save you thousands of dollars and help you decide if Wildspring is the right fit for your family. I love the location itself right here where Wildspring is located. It's very close to your day-to-day activities, your shopping centers, your Costco, your HEB, your kids' activities. And going into the Cedar Park or Austin area, you've got the highways right nearby where you can go easy access to the domain or to Austin downtown, or to like kids activities. Like guys, I've been here for about 20 years. I know when there's a location where it's growing and what's going to happen in your future. I can't say it, but I just want to give you that hint that this is a great location if you're considering new construction in Leander. Approximate drive times: Apple campus is 20 to 25 minutes. The domain, 25 to 30 minutes. Downtown Austin, 35 to 45 minutes. Austin Airport, 40 to 50 minutes. And then your grocery stores like Costco, HEB, Target, restaurants, and shoppings are just minutes away. One thing that makes Wildspring unique is that it's 100% built by Toll Brothers. There aren't multiple builders competing with different styles. This means you'll see a consistent architectural look and more cohesive neighborhood feel. There will only be around 350 homes in the entire community, making it much smaller than many of the Austin's master plan neighborhoods. If you're someone who prefers a boutique luxury community instead of thousands of homes, this is definitely worth considering. Now let's talk about homes and lots. Wildspring offers 50-foot and 60-foot home sites. Many of the lots back to beautiful greenbelt space, giving homeowners added privacy and scenic views. Home sizes range from approximately 2,100 square footage up to nearly 4,000 square footage. You'll find homes with 3 to 6 bedrooms, home offices, media room, game room, first floor primary suites, 2 and 3 car garages, and large covered patios. Toll Brothers currently offers 12 home designs across its Arbor and Grove collections with extensive personalization through its design studio. Now you might be thinking, what are the home prices? Base pricing currently starts in the mid 500s and can reach the mid 800s depending on the collection, home site, and structural options. Keep in mind that upgrades, premium lots, and design selections can significantly increase the final purchase price. One thing I always tell my buyers: never compare the base price to the final price. Make sure you're looking at the complete cost before making a decision. Now let's talk about some equity opportunity. One reason I'm excited about this community is that it's still in the early phase of development. When you're buying during the first year or early releases of a new community, there can be an opportunity to build equity as future phases are released at higher prices. While appreciation is never guaranteed, early buyers in successful new construction communities often benefit as more amenities open, more homes are completed, demand increases, builder prices change over time. That's one of the biggest reasons many buyers choose to purchase early rather than waiting until the neighborhood is fully built. Now let's talk about schools. Wildspring is zoned to the highly rated Leander Independent School District, including Tarvin Elementary, Stiles Middle School, and Ross High School. These schools are frequently recognized for strong academic and extracurricular programs, making the community especially attractive to families. And property taxes, HOAs approximately $90 per month, property taxes around 2%. Compared with some nearby communities, they have higher effective tax rate. This can make a noticeable difference in long-term ownership cost. Always verify the final tax rate with the builder before closing, as rates can change. Amenities. Even though Wildspring is a smaller community, the amenities are designed around everyday living. You'll enjoy resort-style swimming pool, covered cabanas, outdoor pavilion, children's playground, walking trails, Brushy Creek Greenbelt access. If your family enjoys evening walks, biking, or spending time outdoor, this community offers peaceful setting while still being close to city convenience. Toll Brother also highlights the pool, pavilion, playground, and access to outdoor recreation as key features. Model homes, they have two model homes right now. The first one is the Isabel 50-foot collection and the Karina 60-foot collection. When you visit, don't just admire the finishes, pay attention to kitchen workflow, natural lighting, storage space, ceiling heights, backyard size, optional structural upgrades. These details have a much bigger impact on day-to-day living than decorative finishes alone. Okay, we are here at one of their two model homes actually, Isabel, which is a traditional collection, and then they have the Karina, which is a modern farmhouse grove collection. So if you guys are interested in touring the model homes, comment below. I'll send you guys a link of these model homes if you want to see how they look from inside. Now do keep in mind they are highly upgraded. So I don't want you to fall in love with the model home. Don't make that mistake. Fall in love with the floor plan and how, it functions for your own family, because to get to the price point in the same exact look of what they have in the model home, it could be thousands and thousands of dollars in upgrades, which can cost you quite a bit. So probably just do a little bit of upgrades that you need right now. But the whole point is to fall in love with the floor plan and not the model home, right? What buyers should know before buying? Here are 5 things I will discuss with clients considering Wildspring. Visit multiple lots. The home site can matter just as much as the floor plan. Look at the sun exposure, greenbelt views, privacy, and future construction nearby. Understand upgrade cost. Toll Brother offers extensive customization. Decide which upgrades are worth paying for now and which can be added later. Ask about incentives. Builder incentives can change monthly and may include design credits, closing cost assistance, or interest rate promotions. Get an independent inspection. Even with a luxury builder, I recommend inspections at key stages, pre-drywall, before closing, and near the end of the 1-year warranty period. And think long-term. Choose a floor plan that fits your lifestyle over the next 5 to 10 years, not just what looks impressive during a model home tour. And here you guys have several lots right behind us to choose from. So make sure you're considering not just the floor plan, but if you're wanting to build from ground and above, choose that lot. The lot might have a little bit of a premium depending on if it's a green belt or a cul-de-sac. So keep that in mind when you're choosing a lot, if that, adding that cost to your price point. Now, if you want something as a deal, look for an inventory home, right? Because it's already done. There's no surprises on what it will cost you at the end, because you're not building from ground up. Ground up is for those that are wanting a customization, like their final dream home that they want to raise a family with, right? And you're going to be there for a longer time frame. So I would consider that, especially, that it might be a final home for you. But if you're just starting out as a first-time home buyer, want to just get into the community, look for a home that has the best value. Inventory home are the best ways to go. Now let's talk about some pros and cons. Pros: exclusive Toll Brother community, luxury home designs, greenbelt home sites available, Highly rated Leander ISD, boutique neighborhood with about 350 homes, resort style amenities, opportunity to personalize your home, early phase potential for equity growth. Now, cons: premium builder pricing compared to some nearby communities. Upgrades can add substantially to the purchase price. Ongoing construction while the community is being completed. Limited inventory because of the community's smaller size. Wildspring is ideal if you're looking for luxury new construction, high quality architecture, excellent schools, a quieter neighborhood, greenbelt views, resort style amenities, and a location with easy access to Cedar Park, Leander, and Austin. If you're thinking about buying in Wildspring, I'd be happy to help you compare floor plans, explain builder incentives, negotiate on your behalf, and guide you through the entire new construction process. Remember, the builder's sales consultant represents the builder. Having your own realtor costs you nothing but gives you someone focused on protecting your interests from contract to closing. There you guys have it, Wildspring community itself. If you guys enjoyed the tour, the Wildspring, what has to offer, make sure you reach out to me, let me know, especially if you're considering trying to move here in this community, or you just want to get a little bit more information on the amenity itself. As you can see, they have the future amenities coming. They're going to be coming up in the next few months. So that shows how new this community is, that they have just started building right here in Leander, and then only 350 homes left, guys. So if you're wanting to move here nearby, move right now. Take that opportunity, early phase, and get that equity build. I just want to say thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.